Welcome to our final lecture. In this session, we will be discussing your next steps after completing this course and exploring further learning resources to help you continue your journey in AI and project management. The fields of AI and project management are evolving rapidly, and staying ahead requires a commitment for continuous learning journey for your growth. Let's continue lecture 24, the final lecture, next steps and further learning resources. So we will cover overview of continuing your education in AI and project management, introduction to resources for deepening your knowledge and skills, encouragement to keep exploring and growing in your professional journey. Importance of continued learning. Let's start by talking about the importance of continued learning. AI and project management are dynamic fields that are constantly changing. New tools, technologies, and best practices are emerging all the time. By staying updated and continuously learning, you will maintain a competitive edge in your career and be better equipped to adapt to new challenges and opportunities. Advanced online courses. One of the most accessible ways to continue your education is through online courses. Here are some options to consider. AI in project management. Look for courses that dive deeper into how AI can be applied, especially in project management. Data analytics and AI. These courses can help you understand how to integrate data analytics with AI to enhance decision making. Project management certifications. Consider pursuing certifications like PMP, Agile, or even AI-focused project management credentials to solidify your expertise. Platforms like Udemy, Coursera, edX, and LinkedIn Learning offer a wide range of courses that cater to different skill levels and interests. Books and publications. Books and publications are also valuable resources for deepening your knowledge. Here are a few recommendations. AI in business. Books that explore how AI is transforming industries can provide insights into how to apply AI in your projects. Project management literature. Key texts on project management methodologies and best practices are essential for honoring your skills. AI ethics and compliance. With AI become more integral to business operations, understanding the ethical and regulatory aspects is crucial. Some example title include like AI Superpower by Kai Fu Lee, Project Management for Unofficial Project Management by Corey Kogan, Human plus Machine by Paul Doherty. Professional communities and forums. So engaging with professional communities and forums is another excellent way to continue learning. These platforms offer opportunities to connect with peers, exchange knowledge, and stay informed about the latest trends. Online forums. Participate in discussions with experts and peers in AI and project management. Networking opportunities. Join communities for professional networking and knowledge exchange. Recommended platforms include the Project Management Institute, PMI, AI-related LinkedIn groups, and technical forums like Stack Overflow. Attending conferences and workshops. Conferences and workshops provide immersive learning experiences and opportunities to network with industry professionals. AI and tech conferences. These events are great for staying updated on the latest trends and innovations. Project management workshops. Hands-on workshops allow you to apply new techniques and tools in a collaborative environment. Hybrid and virtual options. Many events are now available virtually, making them more accessible. Examples like AI and Big Data Expo, PMI Global Conference, Agile Alliance events, exploring AI tools and platforms. Exploring AI tools and platforms is a practical way to apply what you have learned. AI platforms experiment with tools like ChatGPT, Microsoft Azure AI, and IBM Watson to see how they can enhance your projects. Project management tools learn how to integrate AI into project management platforms like Asana, Trello, or Jira. Sandbox environments use sandbox environments to test AI tools in a risk-free setting, allowing you to experiment with impacting live projects. Developing a learning plan. To make the most of your continued learning, it's helpful to develop a structured learning plan. Set learning goals. Identify specific areas where you want to deepen your knowledge. Schedule regular study time. Dedicate time each week to learning new concepts and skills. Apply what you learn. Use real-world projects to apply new skills, which helps reinforce your learning. Review and adjust. Periodically review your progress and adjust your learning plan as needed to stay on track. Staying ahead of trends. Staying ahead of trends is crucial in fields as dynamic as AI in project management. Here are some strategies. Subscribe to newsletters. Industry newsletters are a great way to keep up with the latest developments. Follow thought leaders. Stay informed by following industry experts on social media and blogs. Next is trend spotting. Regularly research emerging technologies and methodologies that could impact your field, ensuring you are always prepared for what's next. Encouragement to keep growing. As we wrap up, I want to encourage you to keep growing. Lifelong learning is key to staying relevant and successful in any field. Embrace challenges as opportunities for development and cultivate a mindset of curiosity and exploration. The more you invest in your learning, the more you will be able to contribute to your projects and your career. Final thoughts and thank you. Thank you for participating in this course. Your dedication to learning and improving your skills is commendable, and I hope the insights you have gained here will help you in your future projects. Remember, this is just the beginning. Continue to explore, apply what you have learned, and stay engaged with the AI and project management communities. If you have any questions or need further support, don't hesitate to reach out. Questions and feedback. Before we conclude, I'd like to open the floor for any final questions you might have. Your feedback is also incredibly valuable. So please take a moment to share your thoughts on the course. This helps us improve and ensure that future offerings meet your needs. Thank you once again. I wish you great success in all your future endeavors.